Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to take a detailed look at a very unique and futuristic electric motorcycle from BMW Motorrad, the BMW CE02. The BMW CE02 is not a conventional motorcycle and not a typical electric scooter. BMW describes it as an e-park tourer, designed for young urban riders who want something stylish, compact, and completely different. Let's start with the design. The first thing you will notice about the BMW CE02 is its unique and futuristic appearance. It has a compact body, minimalist styling, flat seat, distinctive frame, and large exposed wheels. The design gives the CE02 a combination of a motorcycle, scooter, and urban mobility vehicle. The LED headlight and modern lighting elements add to its futuristic appearance. Now let's talk about the electric powertrain. The BMW CE02 is available in different versions depending on the market. The more powerful version uses an electric motor with a maximum output of approximately 15 horsepower, while the lower power version is designed for riders with different licensing requirements. The higher output version can accelerate from 0 to 50 km per hour in around 10 seconds, making it very quick in city traffic. The top speed of the more powerful version is around 95 km per hour. One of the biggest advantages of an electric motor is instant torque. As soon as you twist the throttle, power is delivered smoothly and quickly, making the CE02 very responsive for urban riding. Now let's talk about the battery. The higher performance CE02 uses two removable high voltage battery packs, while the configuration can vary depending on the version and market. The removable battery design is particularly useful for people who don't have convenient access to a dedicated charging point. You can remove the battery and charge it using a suitable charging system. The claimed range depends on the version and testing conditions, so actual range can vary according to riding style, speed, traffic, temperature, and road conditions. Now let's look at the riding modes. The CE02 offers different riding modes that allow the rider to change the character of the motorcycle. Depending on the version, modes such as flow and surf provide different throttle responses and riding characteristics. The higher spec version can also offer additional riding modes and electronic rider assistance features. Now let's talk about the suspension. The BMW CE02 uses a telescopic fork at the front and a rear suspension system designed for comfortable and controlled urban riding. Because of its compact size and low center of gravity, the CE02 is designed to be easy to handle in city traffic. Moving on to braking. The motorcycle uses disc brakes with ABS, with the exact specification depending on the version and market. The braking system is designed to provide controlled and confident stopping in everyday riding conditions. Now let's talk about the wheels and tires. The CE02 features large, distinctive wheels that contribute to its unique appearance. The tire setup is designed to provide a good balance between grip, stability, and easy maneuverability around the city. The motorcycle also has a relatively low seat height, making it easier for many riders to get on and off the bike. Another interesting feature is the digital display. The CE02 features a modern digital instrument display that provides important information such as speed, battery status, and riding information. Higher spec versions can also offer smartphone connectivity and additional digital functions. Now let's talk about practicality. The CE02 is primarily designed for urban mobility and short distance commuting. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver through traffic and easy to park. And because it is electric, there is no traditional petrol engine, no engine oil, and no conventional exhaust system. This can help reduce routine maintenance requirements compared with a petrol-powered motorcycle. However, buyers should consider charging access and battery range before choosing an electric motorcycle for their daily requirements. Now, what makes the BMW CE02 really special? It is the combination of BMW engineering, futuristic design, compact dimensions, and electric performance. This motorcycle is aimed at people who don't simply want transportation. They want something different, something modern, something stylish, and something that stands out on the road. The BMW CE02 is especially suitable for urban riders, young riders, and people looking for a premium electric two-wheeler with a unique design. Overall, the BMW CE02 is one of the most interesting electric two-wheelers from BMW Motorrad. With its futuristic styling, quick acceleration, compact size, electric powertrain, and premium BMW technology, it offers a completely different riding experience. So, what do you think about the BMW CE02? Do you like this futuristic design, or do you prefer a traditional motorcycle design? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Mumbai House for more new motorcycle reviews, electric vehicle videos, automobile content, travel videos, and family entertainment. Thank you for watching. Ride safe, ride responsibly, and keep exploring the future of mobility.